What is that, smoke?
Boyfriend, you smell so bad. Go straight to shower.
No, wait! Look over there!
Hey! Hey, little man. You wanna smoke? You look very cool.
No, I won't. I hate smoking. I only do rap battle.
You should try it. If you win a battle rap against me, I'll forget what you said.
I accept. Hey, man, are you okay?
My chest hurts, but I'm fine. I'm having so much fun. Let's keep going.
Hey, are you okay? Don't leave us.
Oh, damn. This was unexpected, but I can still do one more song. What do you say?
Wait, what? Are you dead?
Of course, my friend.
What are we waiting for? It's time to go.
He's in a better place now.
How sad. He looked like a good guy. Wait, what? What did I tell you? Drop that right now, dummy!
Ouch!
Bully! Bully!